Can you trade futures on Robinhood? Can I trade futures on Robinhood? The futures market, a realm of leveraged trading, is a complex financial instrument that has captivated investors for centuries. While Robinhood has revolutionized the way individuals trade stocks and options, it's important to understand that this platform is not equipped to handle the complexities of futures trading. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. A staggering 90% of retail futures traders lose money. This alarming statistic underscores the inherent risks involved in futures trading, which requires a deep understanding of market dynamics, risk management strategies, and a substantial amount of capital. Unlike stocks and options, futures contracts are highly leveraged, meaning that a small price movement can result in significant gains or losses. This amplified risk makes futures trading unsuitable for most novice investors. While Robinhood may offer a user-friendly interface and commission-free trading, it lacks the essential tools and resources needed for successful futures trading. These include advanced charting capabilities, real-time market data, and access to a variety of futures contracts. Additionally, futures trading often involves complex strategies, such as spread trading and arbitrage, which require specialized knowledge and experience. For investors seeking to explore the world of futures trading, it's crucial to choose a brokerage firm that specializes in this asset class. These firms offer a wide range of futures contracts, advanced trading platforms, and educational resources to help traders navigate the complexities of this market. Moreover, they often provide access to expert guidance and support, which can be invaluable for both experienced and novice traders. In conclusion, while Robinhood has made significant strides in democratizing access to financial markets, it's important to recognize its limitations. The futures market is a highly specialized domain that demands a deep understanding of risk, leverage, and advanced trading strategies. For those seeking to explore this challenging yet potentially rewarding asset class, it's essential to partner with a brokerage firm that is well equipped to provide the necessary tools, resources, and support.